Looking for a new Kenmore appliance? Well, here are a few tips you need to know before you buy to make shopping quick and easy. The first and most important tip is to double-check your measurements so there are no surprises on delivery day. Take width measurements at the top, counter level, and bottom of your space. Use the smallest measurement to determine if your refrigerator will fit. Measure for the height in front of the space and the back of the space. Again, use the smallest measurement to determine if your refrigerator will fit. Measure the depth from the wall in the back to the front of your counter. Note if your appliance will be standard or counter depth. Give the appliance sufficient clearance by adding 2 inches from the back wall, 1 inch from an upper cabinet, and 1/8 of an inch on either side of the refrigerator. Make special note of clearance needed for cabinets above the fridge. To allow the doors to open properly, leave at least 24 inches of clearance between the front of the appliance and the nearest island, table, or other obstruction. Make sure you've left enough clearance for the hinges so they will not scrape or damage the walls. Some models need additional clearance with door-and-door features. Take into consideration any hinges on the appliance and make sure doors, drawers, and lids have enough clearance to open fully. And refrigerators with ice and water dispensers need a water line already in place to complete the installation. Now you're ready to start shopping for your new Kenmore appliance. If you have any questions about which models are right for your home, contact us at customersupport@kenmore.com. Kenmore, more of what matters.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby.
Arctic Air offers top-of-the-line commercial reach-ins and under-counter refrigeration and freezer units that are essential for today's food service industry. The single and two-door stainless steel reach-ins have an exterior cabinet construction consisting of full stainless steel front and sides. The stainless steel solid door models have bright white epoxy-coated interior vertical walls. The single and two-door glass reach-ins also have an exterior cabinet construction consisting of full stainless steel sides and heavy-duty yet classy-looking glass doors. The AGR units have an all-stainless steel interior, and the economy reach-in exteriors have a cabinet construction consisting of white epoxy-coated steel front and sides and bright white ABS interior vertical walls, and all models are standard with full high-grade stainless steel floors with coved corners. The vaulted ABS door liner on our solid door reach-ins has an irregular surface that makes it stronger. The AR-AF, AWR-AWF, and AUC units have this feature, along with our AST, AMT, APP units. The combination of the vaulted door and the irregular surface on the interior door liner result in the lower compressor run times over the life of the unit. All models are standard with self-closing and lockable doors. All stainless steel single door and white door units are field reversible. The stainless steel and glass door models will hold full-size sheet pans front to back with optional pan slide rack kit. All Arctic Air reach-in and under-counter units have an electric thermostat with external digital LED display for accurate control and easy reading. Arctic Air's reach-in compressors are mounted at the bottom of the units for more efficient operation in the coolest area of the kitchen. Common features for our refrigerator and freezer include a self-contained capillary tube system using environmentally friendly CFC-free refrigerant R290. Our reach-ins are standard with 3 heavy-duty epoxy-coated wire shelves and clips per door section. All models have a hot gas loop built into condensate pan for efficient evaporation of condensate water. Units are tested to NSF Standard 7 requirements for open food storage. Arctic Air's reach-in refrigerator and freezer models and the under-counter units are designed for outstanding performance at a superior value. Better equipment,